Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to scroll down and find Google option. Now right here we have to click on all services, and right here we have to choose Search Assistant and Voice, and here we have to click on the Google Assistant to open Google Assistant settings. Right here we have to click on the first option, Hey Google and Voice Match, where all we have to do is just click on this button, and that's it. That's how you disable OK Google. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!